In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear friends and fellows in Pakistan and abroad, if somebody gets a work visa of any country, of the Gulf countries, while being there, she forgets that they are here only for 3 years, for 4 years, for 5 years, or for this certain amount of time, then they do have to return, and then they do have to be at their own hometown and at their own homes. Also, they are here to earn some money for the expenses of the family, for the expenses of oneself. If at all the overseas workers forget this reason, forget this purpose of coming to that country, I think so, then there is quite a lot of probability that they people will not be either working seriously or will not be saving the money they need to save, they need to send back. And if at all a student travels to another city out of the country for few years of education, but while being there they forget that they are here for the purpose of education, and also they are here for some time only, not forever. Again, in both of these cases, I think so that they people will develop an erroneous attitudes, and they people will go astray. They will not remain focused upon the purpose of their arrival there. Also, if a person leaves one's own town, city for another city, it is just the travel of few days, but during this travel of few days, they forget why are they there, and they start doing the unnecessary things, the useless things, or the things which are even harmful for the purpose they have arrived here and for the life in general as well. I think so. In all of these cases, these people are not going to be called the sensible people, the intelligent people, or the wise people. So is our life. We, the human beings, we are not here forever, and also we are not here for a very long period of time. Wherever we are, we have spent and consumed most of our time, and a little amount of time left only. During this little amount of time, we ought to do something. We ought to do the things which are necessary things only, which are the essential things only, and not to indulge in the things which are either useless or harmful. Why? Again, because we are not here forever at all. Rather, we are here for a short span of time, and pretty soon we do have to leave this world. Pretty soon we do have to leave the houses we are living in, and we do have to leave the properties we own. So, for this reason, I think so that although there are certain needs to be fulfilled while we are alive, but we should keep those things as a need only, and not as an ambition to maximize, trying to maximize the financial output and the rest of the things. I think so. We should try to keep fulfilling. We should try to keep achieving. We should try to keep earning and but the same time it must not be made the purpose of our life, because it is not the purpose of the life to maximize one's income and to get acquire all or most of the luxuries available here. I think so. This should not be the purpose of our life. Although there are certain needs to be fulfilled, and it is permitted, it is allowed, maybe it is obligatory to fulfill the needs which are the genuine needs, and that should be okay. If at all somebody is able to earn one's own needs, I think so, it is okay. I'm not suggesting that stop earning further money if it is coming easily, but we must not forget the necessary things we ought to do, we are supposed to do. We were sent here on this earth for this purpose. I think so. This is all what is needed. There are still other factors, and still other factors are the time we are having, the life, and the time. The life means time, and the time we are having here in this world is passing very quickly. Look upon the past few years, look upon the past 5 years, look upon the past 10 years. You will come to know that all these 5, 10 years, 15 years has passed very quickly. Is that is why the life we are having is consuming, burning, melting so speedily. Still there is another threat hanging upon our heads, and the last threat is that there is uncertainty in the life. Uncertainty of the life is concerned. This uncertainty is that we might die suddenly. Not necessarily we are going to achieve the the expected life. Expectations are there, but the reality is that there are people who are dying. We will not be the first one. If at all I die suddenly, if at all someone else dies suddenly, I think so, it is not something which has happened to us only, rather this is something which has happened to many, many, and many people in the world earlier, and which is happening even today. Every now and then someone else passes away without realizing that they are so close to the death. So we need to keep preparing. We need to keep preparing, and we need to keep preparing for the life hereafter, for the next life, which is going to become, which is going to be an unending life, which will never end, which will never finish. That is why I think so that we must not take away our eyes from that reality, from that factor, which is by far the biggest factor ever. Jazakallah.